we have prepared a traffic light controller using Arduino Uno board. Here we are using tricolor LED module, which is having three colors: red, yellow and green. So these three LEDs will be controlling using this Arduino Uno board, which will be turning on and off with some delay that is created by Uno board. Here we are giving green color will be turning on for 5 seconds, and yellow color will be turning on for 10 seconds. Next, red color will be turning on for 15 seconds. For this implementation, we have wrote code in the Arduino Uno environment. So the code, which it is having three color, we are initializing 3 pins named 7, 6, 5. These 3 pins we are declaring as output mode in void setup. Then we are digital writing the LEDs to be turned on and off for different delays like 5000, 10,000, 15,000, since this microcontroller will be using in milliseconds. So